Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 17th of November. Different kind of day today. In the wake of the strong to severe storms yesterday, noticeably cooler today. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. We'll start with the Auburn Skycam. Things are calm there this morning after a round of severe weather yesterday, including a tornado that will be rated more than likely an EF1 or an EF2. Did you see this video? Somebody put this up on Facebook. There's a big tree coming down over there. Weather Service already has determined the length of this thing was 27 miles, the path length. And they pretty much said it will be an EF1 or an EF2. They'll make that final determination later today. Here's the Trussville Skycam, nice and calm there. Who would be shopping at 5 o'clock in the morning? I guess a lot of people do. And downtown Fayette, things are nice and calm there. Check the water vapor satellite shot. That big trough axis is passing on through. That'll push the clouds out, the rain out. We'll be dry for a bit. Check the numbers this morning. Yes, it's colder, down to 37 at Haleyville. Most folks are in the low and mid-40s, and around the nation, it's really cold up on the Canadian border. Some folks up there are in the single digits, and you talk about cold. I thought I'd pull up this Alaska surface map. You know, they've had record lows the last couple of days. Early this morning, looks like the lowest I see on the board there is 38 below zero. That is very cold for middle Alaska in mid-November. And you know what I always say, that air's got to move, so we got to watch that. All right, we'll check the watch warning map around the Great Fruited Plain, the lower 48. We've got winter storm warnings up for parts of the northwest United States. But down this way, things are quiet. There's the rain for the next 7 days. For the next 5 days, valid through Monday evening of next week, and this is showing the heaviest rain north and west of here, kind of with a stalled boundary, as you'll see. And by the way, I thought I'd go back and look at the storm reports yesterday. Wow, that's 16 reports of tornadoes, and that doesn't mean 16 tornadoes, 16 reports of tornadoes scattered from Alabama up into the Carolinas. 3 in Alabama we know of, one that hit Sumter County in the community of Whitfield, that was an EF2. One that hit Demopolis on US 80, that was an EF0, and again, the Auburn tornado that will be rated later today. All right, model fans, let's check the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at noon today. There's the trough swinging on through, and down below that, the air is nice and dry and much cooler. Going to be a breezy and cool day. Highs in the mid-50s. That's about 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. That cool breeze will definitely make it feel chilly today. Tomorrow, again, we start the day down around the freezing mark. Both the GFS and the NAM are showing 31. The high should be around 60. Saturday, as we kick off the weekend, we'll probably start the day in the upper 30s, then wind up in the middle 60s. The wind veers into the south. Got a low coming across the plains, and there's that snowstorm up there through parts of the Dakotas. And Sunday, that cold front just kind of stops north and west of the state. We do have a low-level moisture increase. We might mention a slight chance of a shower Sunday afternoon, highs up in the low 70s. And Monday, you know the situation there. Got that warm 588 ridge nosing in from the Gulf. Trough back in the southwest, but the upper ridge kind of keeps the cold front stalled north and west of here. So Monday would be very mild, mid-70s. Only a small chance of a shower. Same deal Tuesday, heavy rain north and west of the state. That could be maybe a flood issue there from Dallas-Fort Worth up toward maybe Memphis and Paducah, Kentucky. But that would be relatively dry Tuesday with mid-70s, very balmy and warm. And then Wednesday, the front comes in through here. In fact, this run is faster, really suggesting Tuesday night or Wednesday. Severe weather not really likely with limited upper support. And then Thanksgiving Day. A week from today, where is this year gone? It's not going to be really cold because look at the ridge there, that 582 ridge. It will be dry if this is right. This would suggest, based on those thickness values, a high close to 70 with a mostly sunny sky. So kind of a mild Thanksgiving Day this year. And there's Black Friday, the big shopping day. And that would be kind of mild and balmy and breezy, but mostly dry if this is right. And we note some mischief going on there to the west of the state. And Look at here now. This is Saturday night at midnight of that of the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Wow. Now, if this sets up like that, that could be a severe weather problem over the Thanksgiving weekend. With that kind of support, and the deep surface low is located east of Chicago with a trailing front and some really cold air coming in behind that. So we'll see. This is in the land of voodoo. Come on, this could change, but there has been some consistency in this idea. And then the end of the forecast on December 2nd, looks pretty dry and calm. Got a westerly flow aloft and a dry air mass with seasonal temperatures, if that is correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, don't forget to watch us on TV this evening, that old media, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Weather.